Cloudy. It was 64 at Phoenix, 62 at Tucson, and 57 at Nogales. Sierra Vista reported 56. Douglas reported. Alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are automatically activated by this tone to warn you of impending weather hazards in southwest Arizona and southeast California. Tests of these radios are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in your area Wednesday, this test will not be conducted. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm. To provide the most consistent warning service as possible, this warning alarm will only be activated for watches and warnings affecting Yuma and La Paz counties in Arizona and Imperial and Eastern Riverside counties in California. This concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. Here are the 11.
Church, but you can't take the church out of me.
Positive, encouraging K-Love. The following is a test of the emergency alert system.